I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
Well, the start of my project, Honda EP3, not tuned, so standard map, bit of a back box, not particularly good, K-head induction kit, that's your lot. So let's see what power it makes. It is only on 95 rod at the moment, so we'll be back, put it on the dyno again with 99 rod to see if that makes a difference. But yeah, here we go. So Honda EP3 daily, take one. There we go. I'm quite happy that for a bit of a back box and an induction kit. We've got ourselves 213 brake horsepower, 150 foot-pound. Nice.
Life moves pretty fast.